available there. If you want to read documents, there is document understanding surveys, OCI speech, OCI vision, a lot of things available there. One of the features that we have is OCI generative AI agents. That means morning we understood what is a RAG agent. Now let us assume I have my organization has thousands of documents. For example, any organization you go, there are tools like Ask HR. There's a chatbot to Ask HR. Where is the knowledge base coming for that? They might be having all these documents somewhere stored in a PDF in some location. We should have the capability to go and ask the document factory or document knowledge base. Like I want to ask about what are the work from home policy of my company. I want to understand what is the code of ethics of my organization. All these things I need to do. In Apex using RAG source, you can absolutely do that. But I'm talking about some feature called OCI generative RAG agents, and we have integrated that with Apex. For example, if you see in the screen, these are the two documents I just uploaded for this presentation, which is my resume and my code of ethics. I couldn't find any more documents, sorry. And I can upload directly from Apex. It will directly go to OCI object storage, which is my knowledge base for my generative agent. And I can go and ask questions about it. For example, let me ask like, for example, I asked like what skills does Rupesh have? It should go to my document knowledge base, wherever knowledge base I have defined. It should get a precise and concise summary for me. This is completely happening with the help of generative agents. I'll talk about what it is in a second, but let us see where it has picked it up. When I click on view citations, you can see this is a text it went to my OCI object storage. It went to my particular resume called Rupesh Tokla resume.pdf, and it has picked up this much text, and it has given me summarized text for me here. I'll talk about how it works in a second. I'll ask one more question. I'm not looking for a job change, so don't see my skills now. It works. But what is a knowledge base and how it works, first of all? Okay, let it load. I just need that. Can you see? Okay. So in Oracle Cloud, like I mentioned, right, generative agents, code assist, digital assistant, speech, all these are AI services that you get. Based on your requirement, you can use any one of them or all of them if you want. So how this particular example works? Okay, it's rotating. Let us assume this. This is my business application built on top of Apex, right? I have an Apex application built already, which is readily available. Now in my chatbot, when I ask a question, like what are the skills of Rupesh Tokla, or what are the mandatory code of ethics, or summarize something in a natural language, it will go and talk to OCI generative agents. Once that is done, I'll show it there, so you all can see here. It will go and talk to OCI generative agents. From there, it will do a semantic search on top of the knowledge base that you have, which is OCI object storage right now. It will go and do a semantic search and retrieve all the relevant chunks of data. It will retrieve from the relevant documents, not from all the other documents. It will retrieve all the relevant data. Then it will send it to a re-ranker LLM. Re-ranker LLM, what it does, for example, I have 10 lines that came from my first knowledge base, right? I want to find out only top 5. It does a re-ranking on its own. Once the re-ranking is completed, it will take all the remaining text, whatever is left out. For example, 5 records I need. It will pick those things along with the user question. It will send it to text generation LLM. The text generation LLM will finally summarize that, whatever summarized text you saw, right? Out of 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs, it has generated a simple paragraph. This is the response that you are getting the grounded results. So this is how your generative agents works. For me, when I'm calling this way, this one and this one, it is just like a REST API call to my OCI generative agents, and it's a response back. That's it for me. Remaining things will be taken automatically by the RAG agent.